Retirement. It's something we all dream about. The idea of finally having the freedom to do what we want, when we want, is incredibly appealing. Lazy days, endless vacations, and finally pursuing our passions without the constraints of a 9-to-5 job. But are you financially prepared for this new chapter? It's not just about having free time, it's about having the financial stability to enjoy it. Many people don't realize how much money they'll actually need to maintain their current lifestyle or to fulfill their retirement dreams. It's crucial to start planning early. The earlier you start, the more time you have to save and invest, and the more secure your future will be. You need to consider your expenses and potential income sources. This includes not just your daily living expenses, but also healthcare costs, travel plans, and any other activities you wish to pursue. Without a plan, you could face a tough financial situation in your golden years. The last thing you want is to be stressed about money when you should be enjoying your retirement. Imagine this: you're finally retired. You wake up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore or the chirping of birds in your garden. No more alarm clocks, no more rush hour traffic. Sounds great, right? But then reality hits. You still have bills to pay. The cost of living doesn't stop just because you've stopped working. Groceries, utilities, and healthcare costs don't magically disappear. In fact, some expenses may even increase as you age. And what about that dream vacation you've always talked about? Retirement can be expensive, and without proper planning, those dreams might remain just that, dreams. That's why it's crucial to ask yourself some tough questions. Are you prepared for unexpected expenses? Do you have a financial cushion for emergencies? Do you know how much money you'll have coming in each month? This includes pensions, Social Security, and any other sources of income. Will it be enough to cover your expenses? Have you accounted for inflation and the rising cost of living? If not, how will you make up the difference? Will you need to consider part-time work or other income-generating activities? You don't want to be stuck in a financial bind during what should be the best years of your life. Financial stress can take a toll on your health and well-being. Take control of your future. Set clear financial goals and work towards them diligently. Start planning for retirement today. The sooner you start, the better off you'll be. It's never too early to start securing your financial well-being. Your future self will thank you for the steps you take today. Working with a retirement specialist is crucial. Not just any specialist, but one you know and trust. Some agents are only interested in commissions, putting you in plans with the highest fees, but an ethical specialist looks out for your best interests. If you want to work with a truly ethical agent known for his integrity, there's no one better than Victor Cordova. Contact Victor at 505-225-1327 or vcordova@appreciationfinancial.com. You can also book a Zoom call with him at calendly.com/vcordova-af. The link in his contact information will be in the text below. He won't charge to speak with you or to advise you, but his advice could prove invaluable in making sure you have the best retirement possible. Victor works with anyone needing assistance in retirement or estate planning, but he specializes in public sector pensions, which is crucial, because while you want an honest, ethical, licensed professional regardless of the field you're in, the public sector and pensions are another area of expertise in itself. So if you're in the police department, a teacher, a city or county worker, or a firefighter, Victor is your go-to expert. Don't wait until it's too late. Reach out to Victor Cordova today and secure your financial future. Let's talk about the income gap. This is the difference between your income before retirement and your income after retirement. For many people, this gap is significant. It can be a real shock to your finances. When you're working, you have a steady paycheck coming in, but when you retire, that paycheck stops. You might have some income from Social Security or a pension, but for most people, these sources won't be enough to maintain their lifestyle. Think about it this way. Let's say you're used to living on $5,000 a month. But when you retire, your income drops to $3,000 a month. That's a $2,000 gap you need to fill. This is where retirement savings come in. You need to bridge that income gap. And the best way to do that is by saving and investing wisely. The earlier you start, the better off you'll be. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to retirement planning. Don't wait until it's too late. Start building your retirement nest egg today. Compound interest can significantly boost your savings over time. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your retirement account. Explore different retirement accounts like 401ks, IRAs, and Roth IRAs. Educate yourself on the best strategies for your situation. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized plan, track your progress, and adjust your plan as needed. Celebrate your milestones along the way. Visualize your retirement goals to stay motivated. Remember, retirement is not just about finances, but also about enjoying your time. Plan for activities and experiences that bring you joy. Consider how you want to spend your time, whether it's traveling, volunteering, or pursuing hobbies. Make a checklist of your retirement goals and work towards them step by step. With careful planning and consistent effort, you can bridge the income gap and enjoy a fulfilling retirement.